Oh, God. Everybody gives me reasons to be ruthless. All y'all be giving me reasons to be ruthless. I try to be kind and understanding and tenderhearted, but I'm truly entering like a whole era of fuck everybody. I don't give a fuck how old you are, who you are, on the title, or little, whatever the fuck you think. I don't give a fuck about none of that. I know you're angry, bruh. I'm not even that angry anymore. Nowadays, I'm angry at people's nerves. Like, you got the motherfucking nerve to do this, this, and this to me, okay? My ancestors are like literally Rieto. Not just Rieto, but also cosmic ancestors, okay? I talk about my ancestors a lot, but I don't always share all the things I went through in order to hear them. The only way I was able to hear them clearly was when I finally hit rock bottom, and I was stuck at rock bottom for almost a year. No help, no nothing. So I don't give a fuck about how Rumajo feel about, oh, her and her ancestors. No, bitch, y'all don't know what I went through to be able to hear them. And a majority of the things I had to go through to hear them was suffering from him putting hands on me and leaving me to be by myself with a child until I had no fucking energy left. I don't know how many times I died. I might be alive right now, but I don't know how many times I died. So I don't care. Like, all this shit put me in a phase of like really thinking like, who the fuck do y'all think I am, bro? I'm quiet because I don't really openly talk about these things. Everybody underestimates me. So that's why I'm open to talking about it now. My ancestors don't play about me, and they're going to put me in the top. I don't give a fuck how people feel about it. My objective here is to gather the people, work our way up, and take down the Lijalat, period.